given one problem statement. First, let us understand what the data structure is. The data structure has date, product, quantity, and the store number, whichever store it is present in. So now the problem statement given to me is I need to find out the maximum date of the quantity. Like the quantities are on several dates, but I need to find the quantity on the maximum date for a particular product and store combination. So let us understand how we will find solution to this problem statement using Power BI. So let's just first upload our data into the Power BI. Once done, we will see that there are dates, product, quantity, and store. Let's make the store ID number as text. Then close and apply. Now first let's create a table in which we have all the max dates of a particular store and product combination. So let's write a DAX for that. So let us make a table called max dates table. This will contain all the summarized values. Based on product and store combination, we will extract the max date of each and every column. Table name is sheet 1. First we will group by product name. Then we will group by the store name. Then we will give the summarization column a name. Summarized column we will call it as max date. And then we'll give the expression as where maximum of the date column in the original table. So what this formula will do, it will summarize our table based on product and store. So wherever it gets a unique combination of product and store, it will give the max date from that particular product and store combination. Once done, it will create a table called max date table. Let us see what it has given me. See, for a particular product and store combination, whatever the maximum date was in our original table, that we have derived from this particular formula. Now, let us connect these two tables based on the composite key of product, store, and max date. So first, let us create a concatenated column which has product, store, and max date concatenated. We will concatenate these three columns over here. So let us write product from the new table, max date table, ampersand, store from the new table again, ampersand, the max date of the new table. This will give me a new product string and max date column, which has combined the dates and okay. Let's do one more thing just to separate it. Separate the product store and max date. Let us write one hyphen in between them. So we have a proper code and our product store is not getting mixed with our max date. Once this is done, we will go back to our original table and do the same for the date, product, and store combination. We will give this the same name, which is product, store, max date. and concatenate the date, product, and store in the same order we used. This time the date will be the original date of our raw data. Once this is done, we have a unique column which separates each and every row from each other. Now, once we have these unique column in both the tables, we can do lookup in this second table and extract the quantities for the maximum dates. So let us write one new column over here, new column, use lookup function to extract the quantity. Result column name means from which column I want my result from. So I want my result from quantity column. Then we want to search for the value we have got in this column, in this particular column. So first our search column would be where we want to search. We want to search in PRD in sheet 1, and then our lookup value will be this column. For each and every column, for each and every row of this column, we will have a lookup and get the quantity for the same product string and max date combination. So our search value will be this column name from max date table, and done. We have got the quantities on the maximum date in each and every row for each and every product and store combination we had. So let us check whether this worked or not. So here we are for product 1. This is the product and this is the store. A1 is appearing 3 times, out of which this date is maximum, and on this particular date we have the quantity 31. So the latest quantity we have for this particular store and this particular product is 31. So let us check that we have got 31 for this particular store and product combination or not. So if we see for product store 1 and product A, we have got quantity as 31, and this worked well. Let us check for one more value so that we are very sure that it worked. So if we see B2 is only occurring once in store 2. So let us take A again. For this particular product in store 2, the maximum date was December 2019. And on that particular date, we had 36 quantities. Let us check that we have got 36 quantities in our final table or not. So yes, we have got it as 36. For product A in store 2, we have got 36 as the max score. Thank you. So this was the video, this was the problem statement and the solution provided. Thank you.